This is definitely the #1 best-selling knife out there. The biggest question is, how do you open and close them? I'm sure if you actually bought them on a garage sale, or specifically if you just bought them, ripped the package apart, the bad thing about them, they never come with instructions. Open and close, how to do it. So to open it, pretty much, you have this thing right here. You can see right there. All you do is pull on it. Now, the wrong way to do this, like some people would pull, don't use enough force, and like, why is this not opening? You have to use a bit of your nails, put them right here, and put a little bit of force in here, and keep doing it until you hear the snap. Make sure you hear the snap, otherwise it doesn't open. Now, some people get stuck in another thing. How do you close this once you open it? It's pretty simple. Right here, there's going to be a piece of metal that goes on this side. Here, be careful not to drop them. And this piece of metal, what you have to do, you have to bend it. I'll show you. You bend it down. As you bend this down, you move this up. You can see how it snaps in. Pretty much when you open it, it snaps and it moves in here to secure it. So what you're doing to open it, pretty much pull it down. Right there, you see how you open it? Now, if you want to close it, you do the other opposite to this. So closing it, you just push it down and then keep moving it, you see? Push it down. Now, as you push it down, the thing is you need two different hands to do this, because if you just push it down, you need a second hand to pull it in. Just like that. See? And you close it. Now, one more pointer for you to know about this knife. This is not an expensive knife. So if you're using it to cut things and you're going to be using some force and pushing on it, understand that this safety lock is not the best out there. It can actually ultimately fail because it's very inferior. So this is, yes, for everyday carry maybe, but for really die-hard purposes, using a lot of force, no. Be careful. It's not designed for that. Hopefully you did learn something new, and if you did, smash the thumbs up button, and see you in the next episode of the Geek Tech Show. You never know what is the next thing featured and shown on this channel. How to open and close this knife. The fast version, pretty much. Press this button right here, kind of a switch here. Just press it down and move the knife in. To open it, you have to do is to take this, put your hands in here, flip it open, watch out, and put it right there.